Well, hello out there, pre-K land. Mrs. Hilt here. I'm ready to have some school. How about you? I thought we could go through calendar time today, and I have a special guest to share with you today. I just need to call him over. Dan? Dan, are you here? Dan?
Hi, pre-K land! How are you doing today? It's Diligent Dan here, and I've been missing all of you. I hope you're having a good day.
Well, Dan, thanks so much for coming today. What have you been doing while you've been at home with your family?
Well, we've been doing soccer and dishes and laundry and chores and cleaning up. Oh, and we watched church by video. It's really fun. How about all you guys? What have you been doing?
Well, sounds like they've been having a good time too. Hey, Dan, can you put on your special glasses that you have and tell me who's out there watching?
Yeah, that's a great idea. I have these special goggles. Hold on just a second. Or they're make-believe. They're just invisible. Hold on. Okay. I see Sam. And I see Scout and Hamilton and Charlie and Evan. Oh, and I see Violet. Oh, you look cute today, Violet. Anna. Oh, I see Audrey and Hannah and Alex and Axel and Cassie. Oh, Axel, welcome back, by the way. It's good to see you. Oh, and William. Oh, man, I see all the pre-Kers. It's so good to see you. I've missed you all. Okay, Mrs. Hilt, are we ready?
Yes, I think we are. We're ready to have our calendar time. So, Diligent Dan, will you please take a seat in your chair?
Yeah, I'm going to take a seat.
Okay. All right, there he is, class. He's going to help us do our math today. All right, well, let's go ahead and together say, class, can you say the months of the year? Ready? Begin. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. And what is the month that we're in right now, class? That's right, March. And March starts with a March. All right, well, class, can you sing for me the days of the week? What are the days of the week? Let's sing it. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Did anyone notice where my finger was pointing on the today sign? Let's try it again. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Today is Tuesday. That's wonderful. So we know we're in March. We know it's Tuesday. Let's find out what day we're on today. Will you count with me as we do our days of the month? And remember, we're going to do our st and th for this one. Ready? Here we go. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th, 11th, 12th, 13th, 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th, 18th, 19th, 20th, 21st, 22nd, 23rd. If you said 24th, you are right. Today is the 24th day of March, and it's going to be, we'll talk about that a little bit more in a second, a basketball. Did you notice how much our pattern has grown since we met at the beginning of the month? So let's say today's date. Today's date is Tuesday, March 24th, 2020. Let's say that again. Today is Tuesday, March 24th, 2020. Now say that on your own. Today is good job. All right. So next we are going to talk about we're going to go to our counting tape and we're going to find out how to write the number 24. And while we do that, we're going to think about what our pattern is. Notice we have cube, cube, sphere. Cube, cube, sphere. Cube, cube, sphere. And it just keeps going on like that. So you can see that I've written some letters above. The cube stands for A, and the sphere is going to stand for B. So it looks like our pattern is A, A, B, A, A, B, A, A, B. Let's go ahead and add some motions while we do that. All right, let's go ahead and do for A's, let's do our head. And for B's, let's put our hand on our shoulders. All right, so we're going to do A, B. You do that while I'm going through our counting tape. Here we go. A, B. 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 A. If you said B, you are correct. Our number is 24, and it's going to be B. But I have a question for you. Do you think it's going to be a basketball or a soccer ball? If you said basketball, you are correct. And we'll talk about that tomorrow, why it was a basketball instead of a soccer ball. So I'm going to write a B right here. Pull down, back to the top, forward, circle to the middle, stop, forward, circle to the middle. All right, or to the bottom. So we have our pattern out. All right, now let's do our days in school. We have a very long number line, boys and girls. Do you see that? So we're going to count by tens all the way until we get to 70. And then from there, we'll count by ones. We'll find out what our days in school are. All right, here we go. Following the apple pointer. Here we go. Ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 71. Did you say 72? Then you were correct. What do you suppose the color is, though? Let me go back and look at all of the white and the red cards and find out what comes after it. Here we go. We have 50, 51, 52. Let's go forward. 60, 61, 62. And lastly, 70, 71, 72. What color should it be, class? If you said orange, you are correct. All right, so I'm going to grab our orange card and I'm going to go ahead and put it up there. Well, first I need to write the number. All right. Maybe you can tell me how to write the 72. Let's try it together. What should I do first? That's right. Slide right, slant left, pick up my pencil, back to the top. Forward, circle, slant left, slide right. Very good, class. Go ahead and grab your pencil and your piece of paper, and you can try that on your piece of paper. If you don't have it in front of you, you can pause the video and go get it. While you do that, I'm going to put my card up there. Here we go. we are getting to the end of our wall. I wonder what I'm going to do when it needs to go around it. Maybe you can give me some suggestions where it should go next. All right, the last thing we're going to do today is talk about 72. So I have on my math mat, I have some dimes and I have some pennies. And remember that dimes are 10 each and pennies are 1. So will you count the dimes with me by tens? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. And then I have 2 pennies that are only worth 1. So let's count those together. 1, 2. So I have a 70 and I have a 2. If we put those together, and remember what happens to Zero the hero? He flies away and hides. 72. So 7 dimes and 2 pennies make 72. You're going to do that with your parents later on. You're going to go look for some dimes and pennies, and you're going to make 72 as well. All right. Well, Dan, how'd you do?
I did great. It's a fun day.
Okay. Well, Dan, I hope you enjoy that. Class, you can go ahead and take your piece of paper for math, and it has a 1 before and 1 after question on that. In fact, we can do just a couple of those before we leave today. So if I am looking at the number 18, what is the number that comes just before it? If you said 17, you are correct. What about the number 14? What comes right before 14? 13, you're right. How about after? Let's see, if I choose the number 12, what number comes after 12? Yes, 13 again. Very good. So you're going to see that on your piece of paper for math that you're going to do today. And then you're also going to find 7 dimes and 2 pennies and make 72. I hope you have a wonderful day. Dan, do you want to say goodbye at all to the kids?
Goodbye. See you again tomorrow.
All right, class. Have a great time today. Goodbye.